Hello, and welcome back to New Tech. Today, I am here with another quick tutorial. The code execution cannot proceed because VCRUNTIME140.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. Now, download the zip file. The link is given in the description of the video. Once you download the zip file, right-click the zip file and select Extract All. Then, click Extract button. Now, you will see two folders, one for 32-bit and another for 64-bit. If you know your bit operating system, then you can move little bit forward the video. But if you don't know your bit operating system, then go to Desktop. Right-click this PC and select Properties at the bottom. Now, in System Type, you can see your bit operating system. Go to inside the folder recording your bit operating system. Then, copy the file. Now, go to this PC. Go to Windows Drive, that is C drive in my computer. Then, go to Windows folder. After that, go to System 32 folder. Now, paste the file here that you copied from Download File. Give the administrator permission. Now, check your application. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you in next tutorial with amazing and interesting topics. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.